Hey, welcome back. It's the Techstuffs channel. If you're a new subscriber, please leave a like down below and subscribe and hit that bell. Otherwise, yes, we're talking about a Cobra 29 LTD Classic. This is a Taiwan-made 1983, and this is a radio that's been sitting around, and it's been definitely heavily used on these two knobs here. So definitely a trucker using squelch and volume and finger rubbed off the actual labels of the knobs. So we can do a whole bunch of stuff with this radio. These Cobra 29 LTDs, known for their great receive as well. We could put an RFX kit in it. We can do a turbo kit. We could do a up-down switch to it. We can do a seriously awesome echo with that. We can even do SWR cal with also the low variable built into it. That would come from Mr. 577 New Jersey. Awesome gentleman. We can do a whole bunch with this. So if we do any of that, we probably need a custom display, which we can get. But in 2024, do you think that there is a market for this radio modified, or should it be done stock and maybe just a recap? Please let me know your comments down below on this Cobra 29. Of course, this is no customer's radio. Since that meter is actually stuck, and it's obviously odd that we have a 2-position switch and a 3-position hole, so I'm going to take care of that. But what else would you do to this Cobra 29 LTD Classic? We have all the tools available and all the add-ons. Do we just restore it? Now, I also know we have to work on this LCD display. Some of these channels, see, it's going out right there. But what would you do if you just had a radio sitting there and you didn't have a customer's instructions to fix it, and you had all the tools to do whatever you wanted? What would you do with it? Please leave your comment down below. More than happy to see exactly what some people would want. Of course, a nice, if we kept it stock, it would be a stock to stock faceplate, but all cleaned up. But yeah, otherwise, yeah, let me know. UDX 1200, South Carolina, standing by. We'll see you in the next one. Appreciate it, Eric Techstuffs.